Can you send international transfers through BMO? Yes, you can send money internationally through the Bank of Montreal using a couple of different methods depending on your needs, your account type, and how much money you want to send. BMO primarily offers two main ways to handle international transfers: the BMO Global Money Transfer Service and traditional international wire transfers. The Global Money Transfer Service is designed for everyday digital banking users. You can initiate these transfers directly through BMO online banking or the mobile app. It allows you to send funds to over 30 countries. The upfront fee for this digital service is typically a low flat rate of $5 and this fee can even be waived entirely depending on your specific BMO bank plan or if you are transferring funds to a BMO account in the United States. However, keep in mind that minimum amounts usually start around $100 and maximum limits are tied to your daily debit card restrictions. For larger amounts or destinations not covered by the standard digital platform, you can use traditional international wire transfers. Wire transfers can be executed either online or by visiting a physical BMO branch. Traditional wire transfers typically carry higher upfront fees, usually around $40 for outgoing personal or business wires, alongside potential communication charges and intermediary SWIFT fees. When evaluating international transfers through BMO, you also need to account for exchange rates. Like most traditional banks, BMO applies a markup on the exchange rate when converting your Canadian dollars or US dollars into a foreign currency. This means that in addition to the flat service or wire fees, part of the overall cost of your transfer is built into the currency conversion rate. If you want to avoid high exchange markups or need faster, multi-currency alternatives, many account holders also compare traditional bank wires with dedicated digital transfer services like Wise or FX, which utilize mid-market exchange rates. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kinda check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.